Student, previous video we saw MCQs 1 to 10. Please share and subscribe that video. Now next MCQs 11 to 20 we'll see. Now 11, SCF of two number is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one of the number is 54, then other number is. So we have the formula to find out the other number. If here see, SCF is given, LCM is given, and one number is also given. So very easy to find out other number because formula is there. We studied that formula. That also video you can watch that, and with the help of that you can get this formula also, or here also written the formula. Other number equal to SCF into LCM upon one number. So all these three things are given. So SCF is 27 and LCM is 162 and one number is 54. So if we are dividing, see 27 upon here 54, 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. So 2 answer you will get. Again this 162 divided by 2 you will get the 81 answer. So other number is 81. Here option is given, D option. So this is the answer, option D. Second, there are 5 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the SCF of these odd numbers? These first 5 odd numbers are there, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So whatever number is the odd numbers are there. So what is simple, you can find the factors here. 1 means you know that very simple factors, 1 into 1, 3 is 1 into 3, 5, 1 into 5, 7 equal to 1 into 7 and 9 is 1 and 3 into 3. So you can see here 1 is the common factor. So here 3 is there, here 3 is there, but other numbers there is a no common. So we can take 1 is everywhere. So 1 is the odd numbers are there, other number is not common. So SCF is 1. Very simple. So 1 is there. So this is the answer. Then see 13. If SCF 39, 91 equal to 13, then LCM of these two number 39 and 91 is, so SCF is given. So we know that both numbers A and B also. So LCM we can find out, means we know the A and B, SCF we know. So very easy. LCM equal to, we know the formula, A into B SCF. So A into B is 39 into 91, and upon what is the SCF? SCF is the 13. So here 13 stable, 39 is there. So by, if you 39 divided by 13 you will get the 3 answer. So 3 into 91 you can do the rough calculation also. See 91 into 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So very simple. So you will get the answer here. So 273. So your B is the option. Then 14. LCM 77, 99 equal to 6, means to A and B. LCM of 77 and 90, these two numbers is 693. Then SCF is of these two 77, 99 is, so SCF. So very simple. This previous way also we can, that only formula you can use, but now we have to find out the SCF. So first it was the LCM here. Now so you will write SCF equal to A into B upon LCM. So SCF is 77 into 99. So 77 into 99 upon 693. So here 77 is there, 693 is there. So try 693 is divisible by 11 or not. So 11 6 66. Sub 3 is there. This 3 is, it's divisible. 11 3 is 33. So very simple. So you will get here answer 63. And here you are dividing by 11 77, you will get the 7. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. 9 will remain. 9 ones are 9, and here 1 divided, this 99 is divisible by 9. So 11 answer you will get that. So very simple. So what is your answer? Your answer is 11. So you will get the option A. Now 15. The number 385 can be expressed as the product of prime factors. Very simple. 385, divide this 385. Then see, this 385 at unit place 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. Sorry, it is not divisible by 2, so try for 3. 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 5 16, so by 16 is not divisible by 3, so whole number is not divisible by 3, so it is so very clear, unit place 5 is there, so divided by 5. So here if you are dividing 385, here 5 sevens are 35, so 38 minus 35 means 3, again 5 sevens are, so 77. And then you know that this 77 is divisible by 7, 11 you will answer. Then 5 into 7 into 11. So very simple. Where is that answer? 5 into 7. So your option is 11. No, so your option is B will come. Okay. Then next, the ratio of LCM and SCF of the list composite and list prime number is. So one previous video we saw already composite number and prime number or something like this. So here list prime number. So list composite number is 4, means list means small, 3 is prime number, after 3 4 is there, so 4 become a list composite number. And because on previous, then list prime number is 2, 2 is the prime number. Okay, after 2 3 is also prime number and 4 is a composite number, so it's become a list composite number. So list composite number is 4, list prime number is 2. So you can factor, you know that, very simple, 2 into 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. So common is the 2. So LCM, you have to find or see ratio of LCM. So here LCM is given first, so find LCM first, then SCF. So LCM is what? Common factors into uncommon. So what is that? Common is 2 and remaining factor is 2 into 1, that means 4, and SCF is only common, so 2. So LCM you got 4, SCF is 2. So ratio of LCM is to SCF is 4 is to 2. So this 4 is to 2 can be divided by reduced form, divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 is to 1. So where is 2 is to 1? Then you know that, see, 2 is to 1 answer you are getting. So this is your correct option. Then 17. P square equal to 32 upon 50. Then P is an whole number, integer, rational number or irrational number. So what is the given that you have to write? P square equal to 32 upon 50. So if you reduced form, if divided by 2, then you will get 16, here 20. 16 and 25 is the square root of, so taking the square root, P square root is P and square root of 16 4 and square root of 5 5. So plus or minus 4 upon 5. So you know that it is a rational number. Rational number can be written in the form of a numerator and denominator. This 4 upon 5, this is the form of numerator and denominator. So P is a rational number. So see here, your option is C. Then 18. What is the greatest possible speed at which a girl can walk 95 meter and 171 meter is an exact number of minutes? See what is the given. What is the greatest possible speed at which a girl can walk 95 meter and 71 meter in an exact number of minutes? So greatest possible speeds means SCF you have to find out. So as the girl needs to walk 95 meter and 171 meter at the exact number of minute. Okay. So here given greatest possible. So these two numbers are given. Find out the SCF. SCF of 95 and 71. So if you 95, 5 into 19 and 71, if you are divisive taking this prime factorization method, is 3 into 3 into 19. So SCF is coming 90 common. So SCF is 19. So hence greatest possible speed is 19 meter per minute. Very simple. From this word only we will understand. You have to find out the greatest possible. So find out the SCF. Now 19. 3 alarm clocks ring their alarms at regular interval of 20 minutes, 25 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. If they first beep together at 12 noon, at what time will they beep again for the first time? Very simple. See, 20 minutes, one is the 20 minutes, then another one is the 25 minutes and 30 minutes. But first beep means they are starting together. But after 20 minutes, it will come again original. But this one after 25 minutes, and this one, then some difference will come then from the second round. But first beep they starting at 12 noon. So what time will be the beep again for the first time? So for that means what, first time their intervals means we have to find out the LCM. Okay, options are given, then time when they ring together, that means LCM we have to find out. 20, 25 and 30, when these numbers are coming at the same time by prime factorization. So 20's factor is 2 into 2 into 5, 25 5 into 5, and 30 2 into 3 into 5. This very small, so I am small numbers, so directly you can find out these factors. So common factors, LCM, you have to take the common. So which is the common here? See, here 2 is common and here 2 is common. Okay, then here this 5 and 5 is common, here also 5 is common. So first LCM common we have to take. This second number, no, double underline is given 2 and 2, so it is again this 2 is coming. Okay, and this green color means remaining one. Okay, see, first you have, if 3 numbers are there for LCM, what we have to do, first we have to see the number in all 3, it should be common. So 2, here 2 is not there, but here again 2 is there. 3 is not here, 3 is not here, 3 is not here. So here we have to check 5 is common in all 3. This 5, 1 5. Okay, this 5 is written. Then you have to check 2. This 2 is in 2 numbers common. That 2 we have to take. Okay, and here green line is written. That green line is uncommon, means 2, 5 and 5. That you have to write. Means again here these 2 5 are there, no? Okay, this 5 is here 2 5 already. This 5 we are taken here common. Then only this 5, that remaining you have to write. This green color 2, 5 and 3. 2, 5, 3 is uncommon, that we have to take. So here total multiplication is coming 300, that is the minutes, because this minute was there 20, 25 and 30. LCM is coming 300 minutes. So 300 minutes is there. If you are dividing this 60, then you will get the 5 hours. So they rang together first at 12 noon, and then they ring together at 5 p.m. So means 12 noons, after 12 noon 5 hours become a 5 p.m. only. Okay, so that is the 5 p.m. is the answer. So what is here answer? See here 5 p.m. So this is the C is the answer. Then 20, the SCF of 420 and 130 is very simple. You find out the prime factorization by method and you can find out the SCF. SCF means only common. So 420 is divided by 2, then you will get 210, then divided by 205, divided by 335, and then 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 is the this prime factorization, and 130 equal to 2 into 5 into 13. Okay, so what are the commons? Here 2 is common, here 2 is common, that common we are taken, and 5 is common here, 5 is common here. So 5, 2 5s are 10, SCF is 10. So okay, next video we'll see MCQs question number 21 to 30. Please share and subscribe this video and